Unfortunately, the first time that Leanne recorded this future story, this vision of the future, there was a technical hitch, so we couldn't actually record it because it didn't get broadcast. And unfortunately, lovely Leanne is suffering with COVID, such as 2021. So I've offered to re-record it, but I don't think I'm going to do it anywhere near as well as Leanne did. So this is the story. There is no feeling quite like losing your home. We suffered our worst earthquake ever in the middle of the pandemic. It all happened so fast, I can't even describe it. The top 2 stories of our house collapsed after the first tremor, and my mother and I were trapped in the rubble. My poor father desperately tried to get us out, but he couldn't. And finally, my brother managed to dig us out. And it was just so devastating that our house was gone. It all felt so hopeless. Then Frontline Map appeared. The earthquake was, of course, reported worldwide in the news. The Frontline app allowed all the activists and the people who cared in their communities to send direct donations to my mobile banking app. The app also allowed us to send direct messages and exchange pictures directly with donors. It felt just so amazing to be connected with a real human in another place. The donors knew exactly where the money was going and could directly message to find out how we were getting on. I kept all of the aid workers and the volunteers who supported our journey up to date with pictures. Through the community on the app, I realized how many people really cared. We could see this amazing groundswell of action from the other side of the world. It was beyond heartwarming and so empowering. So after rebuilding our house, we were able to be much more resilient with future crises, and I was able to plan my life and finally have some sort of stability. Life eventually got back on track. In fact, I am sharing this story from rainy London. One of my donors invited me to visit here to share my story with her organisation. My life has been transformed through the power of kindness and people power. Life will never be the same again.